guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So today we'll be getting into this huge voluminous 26-inch wig, y'all. If y'all want to know where I got it from, how I got it to look like this, and all the specs on this wig, make sure you guys keep watching. So without any further ado, let's bippity boppity boo, y'all, and let's get into this video.
Okay, you guys, so this unit is from blackmoonhair.com and it comes in this beautiful green satin bag. Honestly, love their branding and love their coloring of it, you guys. So in this bag, they give you a couple of treats like these makeup brushes, and they also give you a wig cap. But the most important thing, of course, you guys, is this wig. So y'all, I got this in 26 inches. I was so excited because this is the longest wig I've ever had before in my life so far. So here she is straight out of the bag. These are the beautiful curls that come on this wig. This is their 13x4 T-part lace front Indian loose deep wave human hair wig, and it's 180 density. So I'm going in and I'm showing you guys the hairline. On the website it does say moderately pre-plucked, but y'all, you're gonna have to go in there and do the work, okay? I definitely had to go in there and pluck this. It is a T-part, and I can tell you guys that they give you a lot more hair in front of that T-part area than I've seen on some wigs. So that was surprisingly great, and that allows you to like give it more of a natural hairline when you do go in there and pluck. This is the wig cap construction with your 4 combs in the back and your 2 adjustable straps, and there's no lace in the back, just so you guys know. But there was one thing, it was how the lace matched up with my skin. This was definitely for more of a dark skinned person. I had to go in and use a lot of makeup to get this to match with me just because of the tones of the lace. That was disappointing, but other than that, the hair was bouncing back and I was really excited to get into it. Okay, y'all. So the first thing I did was do some customizations. Of course, like I said, that hairline was not giving me pre-plucked, so y'all know I went in and did the darn thing. I even tried checking the lace on the back of my finger. Don't ask me why I did that. I just did it. Anyways, so of course I saturated the hairline and went in and plucked. If you guys didn't know, I have a whole video on my YouTube channel about how to pluck a T-part lace front wig or 13x1 wig. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure you go check that out. The link will be at the top of the video. I'm just showing you guys a couple of parts of what I did do here. Of course, you can find out more details on how I would go in. It's really just about not losing too much hair and trying to picture your own hairline or a hairline that would look great on the wig, because there is so much hair that covers the tracks, as you guys can see, but there's not a lot of hair left, so you want to do your best to disguise the tracks while also making it look plucked. Okay, now don't go in there and over pluck and then be mad, because the only person you can be mad at is yourself if you over pluck. Not sorry, because the company definitely didn't over pluck for you. They didn't pluck at all, barely. So do what you got to do and make that thing look nice, and check out my video if you need some help on it. So of course I used my favorite product right now, which is this Fantasia liquid mousse, y'all. I don't know, I really love this. It would be great if I paired it with a blow dryer, but I've just been too lazy to do that. I just really feel like it lays the hair down without you having to use a hot comb or anything. So I've been using that and just combing the hair back, and once it dries, you guys are going to be able to see how quickly that lays. Like, look at that, look at that. That looks like I went in and did each and every track with a freaking hot comb, and it's not the case, it's the mousse. But yeah, if you guys want better results from this, definitely suggest you do this, tie it down and put it under a dryer. Other than that, didn't really mess up the hair. I did lose those curls after plucking, so this is what she's looking like right now. Sorry, I had something in the hair, but she's looking beautiful. I decided to not mess with her natural texture yet, you guys, and go ahead and style her. I really wanted something like the picture off the website. On their website, their model has huge waves, so I really wanted to do that. So I took my barrel curler and actually made some pin curls, as you guys will see. The pin curls turned out pretty nice, but I don't know what I did in the end. I kind of messed my curls up. But other than that, the hair was still gorgeous once I did it. And because this is 180 density wig, it was super full. And let me tell y'all, I love the way the curls came out. I love the way the curls came out initially. So I just went in and did some curls all over this wig's head. I was excited to see because it was 26 inches, y'all. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna be a baddie out here in these streets. Anyways, for 10 inches on this wig on their website, it is going for $65.64. The weight of this wig apparently is 300 grams, and they claim that it lasts for more than 1 year. I hope so. I really do hope so. But of course I went in and did some other customizations, you guys. I want to let y'all know that when I was flattering this hair, I didn't really get a lot of reaction from the hot comb, and my hot comb had been on for a while, so that was a little confusing for me, just because the hair wasn't necessarily reacting to the heat as well as I wanted it to, because the hair was so thin and fine. But of course I'm going to come back to y'all in the end and give you guys all the updates on that. I did curl the whole head and then come back and curl the front of the hair, just because I knew I wanted the front of the hair curls to lay differently. So that's what you guys can see me doing here. This ended up working for me. I don't know if other people do it, but it ended up working for me just because I like to envision how the curls will lay on my face. And so that's what I did. Next, I am disguising this dark brown lace, you guys. So I'm going in with this CoverGirl, which is a little lighter than my skin tone, and I'm really pressing it into the lace, okay? So at the end of this, it's kind of gonna look crazy, but it's what I had to do to get this lace to match with me. Makeup is your best friend when messing with lace that doesn't match with you guys. So as you guys can see, it gave me this really deep yellow color. That's gonna work out for me, and trust me, once I use some powder and actually cut this lace, I'm gonna be able to disguise it on my head. And I was actually surprised at how good it did work, because that was like my first time doing it. Like I said, the curls turned out beautiful. I think the only mistake that I made when styling this wig is brushing the curls up. Don't suggest you do that, because the hair is already frizzy as it is. So if you decide to tease the curls like I did, it's only going to make it frizzier. I suggest you guys let your curls just fall, and you'll probably get the best effects from that, or simply going through with a pick and picking your curls out. But other than that, I loved the way this wig turned out regardless. I wore it for about a week, and it was beautiful. It gave me like the same results as far as curls. I did get to see the natural curl pattern of this, you guys, and I will be doing an update on the natural curl pattern. I had to cut the ends because the ends were so dry and wispy, but I'm gonna get more into that at the end of this video and give you guys all the details. Other than that, I loved how this wig made me look like her. If y'all don't know who I'm talking about, go look her up, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video, and I'm gonna come back to y'all in the end.
the finished look, I just want to let y'all know I did not glue the sides down. This wig is super snug on my head. I did have to use like a lot of makeup to get the lace to kind of like match to my skin tone, and even then it still doesn't match. So I went in and I cut this lace as jagged edge as I could. You guys, when I say like jagged edge, I mean freaking jaggedy edges. Sorry that I really didn't get that on camera, but I just wanted to let y'all know that's how I got it to look right. And then of course I went in with the makeup above and put the part in. The middle of this hair does give me like the 26 inches. I'm 5'1". I know, y'all, I'm 5'1". So this is where the hair goes, despite me cutting some of the ends. It's gonna be really interesting when I choose to flat iron this hair, y'all, because these ends are reckless. They're just extremely dry, and no matter how much like heat protectant and stuff I put on them, they were just like super wispy, and this is what it looks like. But the ends kind of like go all the way up, and the hair in general is just like super frizzy, but it is extremely voluminous, so I'm excited about that. And I'm excited that I was able to get like these huge beautiful curls from it. Like, do y'all see that? If I have to give it a rating, this wig would be like a 7 out of 10, because these ends are really disappointing for me. The hair is still full. This is not like your 10 8th grade hair, you guys. This hair is very thin, fine, and pops on pool, pops on brush. It just pops. But it does come with a lot of hair. It's super full density wise. I haven't experienced any tangling other than the ends tangling, so just be aware of that. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you guys want this wig, the link will be in the description box below. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you check out my last video. I do uploads every single Wednesday. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.